Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, September 19th, 2018. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, in the honors math, they have lesson 3.1 to do. And in the regular ed math, we've got a fraction and mixed number worksheet. Remember that we are converting mixed numbers to improper fractions in one section. And then we're doing the opposite, where we are going from the improper fraction to the mixed number. Please use your notes from your journal to help you with this. In science, we got a triple beam balance worksheet to do, as well as preparing and studying for a metric quiz on Friday. In social studies, you need to be studying for your government quiz on Thursday. I know the reviews weren't that great today, so make sure that you are studying your notes, which can be found in the classroom. For language arts, you've got a writer's notebook where we're dealing with Chapter 6, Snatches of Talk. In literature, we've got two things. See Folks Vocabulary, that is due, typed, and submitted by Friday. And also the honors class, they've got an article of the week that is also due on Friday. Just one quick reminder, all AR points are due October 22nd. That's it for today. Have a good one.